Let's talk about the snow that we had here today and the temperatures that are headed this way.
Yeah, I think we agreed, Eric, that this is actually very pretty, but maybe what's coming isn't so great.
Oh, today is just beautiful. I mean, gorgeous out there. You had some light snow. How often can you get snow in the air for about 18 straight hours and have it only add up to a few inches? I mean, that's kind of like movie magic. Today, 3.6 inches of snow in Boston, which makes it the biggest storm of the year, although I would contend we haven't had a storm yet in the Boston area. There's a look at some of our weather watchers. 5 inches of snow in Randolph, 4.5 in East Bridgewater, a little short of 4 in Danvers, and a little over 2 in Lexington. Thanks to all of our weather watchers for sending in their reports. Our storm system heading offshore tonight. The last of the snowflakes moving along with it. Still some flurries or some light snow in the air, not really adding up to all that much more. Newburyport up toward Hampton and Seabrook and Gloucester right now, and across Cape Cod. Some light snowfall. Won't be adding to much, but the main story overnight, some slick roads. Temperatures falling back. We're in the 20s to low 30s right now. By tomorrow morning, we're into the teens for most of the area, so it'll be much chillier outside. Things will freeze back up for sure. Also, it'll be a very bright night as skies clear. Full moon. It's a super moon. Doesn't actually look bigger, but it is going to be a full moon, and with the snow on the ground, it'll be reflecting off of everything. Speaking of that, bring the sunglasses tomorrow morning. We'll have blue skies tomorrow. It's a cold day, no question, but it'll be very sunny outside and very bright with the new fallen snow. Wind out of the northwest at about 5 to 15. High temperatures will stay below freezing for most of us tomorrow. So high about 30 in Boston and Plymouth, 20s across all of central Massachusetts, southern New Hampshire, and even toward the Merrimack Valley. Likely not to hit 30. When you factor in the winds, it'll feel more like the single digits tomorrow morning, and teens tomorrow afternoon, teens in lower 20s toward the Cape. So all told, a very wintry day for us. Wednesday, another cold one. The clouds will increase in the afternoon, and then we track our next storm system. This one is not going to be pure snow. In fact, I'm not expecting a whole lot of snow in general. Moves in after 8 o'clock on Wednesday night, so it doesn't look like it's going to impact the evening drive at all. We'll see a little burst of some snow as it begins, maybe a coating to an inch or two. Then we change over to some sleet and freezing rain. So it's going to be very icy out there as we start the day on Thursday before any of the precipitation moves offshore. And we'll get into some sun, and there'll be plenty of melting on Thursday afternoon. But the main impact will be that morning drive, some snow to sleet and freezing rain away from the coast, some snow to brief ice near the coastline, and then changing over to a regular rainfall as we make our way toward Thursday morning. So the main part of this storm system will be on the Thursday morning commute overnight if you have to travel into early on Thursday. And we'll also be watching the tides. Because we have that full moon, the tides are already way up, one of the highest astronomical tides of the year. And with some onshore flow, minor flooding is guaranteed. There may even be a couple of pockets of some moderate flooding, high water levels near the coast on Thursday. We also have a great looking setup for ski week. It is vacation week, of course, and if you're heading up to the ski areas, staying cold, great conditions. We will see a mixture of some snow and ice on Thursday. And if you are doing some traveling, just look at a few selected cities across the country. No issues at Logan Airport for sure. And if you're looking for somewhere warm, I would suggest Florida or Hawaii. Those are definitely going to be your best destinations. There's a look at your full 7-day. The next couple days are cold but quiet. Watching that wintry mix Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Friday and Saturday both look pretty good and seasonable. And then the next storm Sunday, David and Lisa right now looks to favor more rain than anything else. We'll be watching that one.
All right, thank you, Eric.